When did we go to Gapyeong?
A week ago. I didn't go. Oh no, I'm Joe. Yeah, we did. We did.
Go on, do a Geordie accent.
How are you, man? How are you?
Last weekend, we went to Gapyeong. We had a fantastic time. We did some water sports. However, Hannah got an injury. What happened, Hannah?
I hurt my knee.
That was the only line.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it, right. Find out what happened in the video.
Well done.
Gapyeong!
Yeah, send it guys. Send it guys.
Fine, mate.
Something in your boxers. Sake, what a waste. There we go. Done.
Day number 2 in Gapyeong. The weather is fantastic. We're all creamed and oiled up, ready to get a suntan. And today we're going to go down to a humongous water park a little bit south of Nami Island. To get a bus there will take about 40 minutes, but instead we're all going to split a taxi and get there in 10 minutes. And luckily the taxi rank is right here next to the bus station. But first we stopped off at the CU to get some alcoholic beverages. What are you having for breakfast, Joe?
Oh, that is so refreshing.
Yeah.
So refreshing.
So
how nice is that?
Yesterday I had some barbecue meat of these 2 Korean lads, but they were so drunk they didn't cook it properly. I ate it, and at 3 o'clock this morning I woke up and I was violently sick. I was like putting my own finger down my throat to chunder.
Was it the one where you...
I love how you always burp in the videos. Always.
Was it the one where you like wake up in the middle of the night and you kind of help but throw up?
Yeah, I just woke up and I just had a funny feeling, so I just chucked it down.
Can do it though, isn't it?
And then I woke up and I had the shits, so it wasn't a good day. Yeah.
That's horrible.
So I've had a sandwich to start the day off, but I do want to drink alcohol, so I'm going to get a light seltzer. Rafi, what have you got there, lad? Sunsalgochi.
No.
Sunsalgochi.
It's not quite Sunsalgochi.
What is it?
It's, what was it? Cheese...
It's got cheese inside it?
Dakdari Gucci, I think.
Cheesy dak tak curry. Is it greasy, mate? Delicious.
But
So,
mate,
so.
you're not going to be hungry later. That's what I'm worried about.
Kidding? We're going to be running around some inflatable thing. You're going to be starving.
Don't you worry. No, I'm
Joe,
worried about him.
Joe, touch your belly button again.
Feels weird, doesn't it?
Go on, touch it. Touch your belly button.
Touch it.
Inside.
I'll touch it. Look at that. That's his belly button there.
How weird does that feel?
He hasn't showered in a week.
All right, we're gonna go to the GS, get some seltzer, and then get in a taxi and head to this water park, and we are gonna have so much fun. I hope my head's not still peeling. Unfortunately, GS25 didn't have any seltzers, so I got an OB instead. Gapyeong! We're out the taxi, it costs 15k, we've come to Susang Leisure, and it's a moment of truth to see if we like it. Wow, the weather is fantastic. Oh yes, look at that, the slide!
Oh yes.
Yeah, this is cool, a little assault course. This is a good choice. Yeah man, that looks so much fun.
It's so exciting.
So on the way down here, there were loads. We were like, let's just stop off here, but we're glad we came to this one. As you can see over on the other side, there's more water parks there. And thankfully, it's not very busy. I think most of the people that are here are wanting to do water sports like this. Flying on the back of a boat, which could be very fun. Or these people here. You excited, laddie? Make two chocolate matches, say oh? Yeah.
This is going to be the best time ever. Before we go in.
We've got loads, mate. We've got P20 on. Look at the views here when you come in. Water parker. Oh, we're going through here. Nicer. So we wanted the water park only. He said it was going to be 10k, but then he said we can't do that. So now we have to pay for everything, which is 37,001. And we get access to go on these inflatable boats and get pulled on the back of the boat. So it's going to be chaos. I'm with
Oh, I don't
In
know.
Korea,
The black one's quite cool though.
size 10 is triple XL. That's crazy.
How do you know?
Thank you, Hannah. This is our friend Gang-san.
Right.
He's going to be the instructor and tell us the rules. 영어로 말해주세요.
영어로요? 오케이.
제 친구도 한국어 잘 못해요. Sexy, sexy, sexy man. Sexy, sexy, sexy man. Sexy, sexy, sexy man. Sexy, sexy.
Go on, take top off, love. Take it off. Go on, love. Take it off.
Rule number 1.
네.
Do not take off your jacket
Okay.
outside. Okay? Promise.
Promise.
And 그리고 if you wanna play something that 저 something. Do you see that headgear? Helmet?
Helmet?
아, 진짜로?
블루
아하.
써야 돼.
여기에 강에서 수영할 수 있어요? 수영?
Just
저기.
here.
오케이.
here.
오케이. 맥주 마실 수 있어요?
투머치하게 말고 그리고
Okay, okay. We're not alcoholics, it's okay.
Don't ask.
Hey, oh. All right, lads, we ready to go and have some fun?
No. Yes, please. Okay. Okay.
Gangsan, 감사합니다. Mate, this is fantastic.
Look at this.
Beautiful, mate. This is truly fantastic, mate. Should you have a little race on here? Me, you, and Joe. Joe, we're going to go down this one to the end, down the second one, and along the third one.
Ready?
Right,
I'm gonna get it.
go! I'm coming through!
Oh, he's done it.
What are you two doing? 감사합니다. Fantastic. Oh look, I'm the winner. I was the winner. Rafi, second place, nice lad. Hannah failed. Joe failed. Next thing we're gonna do, let's go down there.
You want to go?
There's a bit of a queue to go on the boats, so we've come up here with our new Korean mates and we're going to play football with them. Nice to meet you.
Oh, yes.
만나서 반갑습니다. Hey. Well, we're not off to a good start, are we? Hannah, do you just want to go sit down, babe?
Stop hanging to me!
Hey! Hey! Bloody hell, it's warm out here. I think it's about 40 degrees today. Jehante! Tamira! Set us up! My feet are on fire. This ground is so hot. Ah! Yeah, here. Me, I've got it. You, me. Ah. That was good, nice.
Oh, cool. Who are you? Oh,
Away the lads. Bro, yeah, go. Oh, lad, go on. The floor is literally on fire. Oh my God, mate. Hey, lads, booty, lads, booty. I want to inform you of something extra amazing. On the other side of the river is Gyeonggi. This side of the river is Gangwon, which means if we go to that side of the river, after 6 p.m, we can't be more than 2 people. However, the side of the river that we're on now and the side of the river that we're staying on, we can be more than 2 people, which is fantastic. So after 6 o'clock, we can stay as a 4. We don't have to separate, which is great news. And that's it there. We're back down by the boats. We're gonna go on an inflatable dinghy. We've got the helmets on our head because we have to wear them. Thanks. We've got a tough choice, right? They're going to go on the Ninja Turtles or the Swan. This is the Ninja Turtles. Hannah keeps burping, it's disgusting. It's vile. I don't know why. So here we are, waiting to go on one of the fantastic rides in the fantastic weather. Fantastic. Fantastic. Another Nalshiga Joyhill. Apple Watch? Okay. Whoa! Alright. I'm holding on for dear life. Yeah. Here we go, baby! I'm holding on. Oh! Hello people of YouTube. The reason you're hearing my voice now is because this speedboat was travelling faster than the speed of light. And the original footage is terrible. You can only see my armpit. So I've had to invert it diagonally so you can get a better perspective of how much fun we're having. And we're also screaming non-stop. However, I do have something important to ask you. Before that, back to the screaming. Oh my God!
Now, I understand why you have to wear
Yeah, okay! Go, yeah! I hope you enjoyed that screaming, and the important thing that I would like to ask you is your opinion on my channel. How do you think I can grow it? I've been making videos for 2 years here in South Korea, and I'm still below 1,000 views average per video. How do I get that viral video? I see other YouTubers going to a coffee shop, eating a cake and a coffee, and they get 200,000 subscribers. Granted, they do have large breasts, and I don't have that, so perhaps I need to get my penis out. I'm not exactly sure, but I would like your feedback. If there's anything you'd like to see in South Korea, let me know in the comment section below. Now, like this video, we've arrived back at our destination.
Oh my God. Yes! Come on, man!
Yeah!
Oh my God, that was fantastic.
I really understand the helmet.
Yes.
I bashed it so much.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
That was beautiful. Let's do it again. And again.
I do again constantly. I'm gonna go.
Which should we go next?
I need to put my GoPro back so I can hold on because I was almost falling off the edge there.
He was just like this over the whole time.
That was absolutely phenomenal.
That was great fun.
How's it felt? Don't just say off.
Make $1 million a year.
$1 million, yeah? Let's go.
조심해 난 해줬다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와
머리 없어 빛나리 우린 쌍둥이 얘는 전이지
kimchi 김치청에서 eat that when I finish this rap I'm gonna turn some bibimbap every night I go to Noraebang I sing so loud they hear me in Pyongyang
저는 옛날이 많이 예뻐요. 네, 감사합니다.
서울투구사 자전거 탔어 군대 경찰이 날 막 갔어 보다 보면 뼈가 아니야 매일 중요한 가수 먹을 거야 Every time I step to the microphone the whole club be like 사랑해요 If you don't know well now I'm 알아요 Cause the beat kicks more than taekwondo
감사합니다 다음에 와요 To make a life in Korea I didn't have doubts, you know I didn't have fear When I tried for myself yeah. That's because I make $1 million a year 1 million Well that was fantastic lads Guys, can I get in on that? Here, lads, come on, join us Gapyeong!
Whoa!
The plan is now we're going to try find some more beers and then go to a quieter part further down the stream so we can jump in without having to wear helmets or life jackets.
Oh, let's do a bit of reconnaissance.
Should we just walk or do some reconnaissance? Should we at least walk that way because that's the way we came from?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Oh, she's not light, like, I'll give you that. Fucking hell.
Joe pushed Hannah off the water park. She's twisted her knee. She can't walk by herself. So. How's your holiday, babes? Going good?
Really good.
Yeah, really good.
That's the only
If someone has my
down
phone, then I can order a taxi.
I've got your phone.
We're not getting a taxi, like, we're off in the stream.
We're going to try and find somewhere
We're
down
gonna
here
go
we
find
can go
somewhere
for a
quiet
swim.
Oh, just down there. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
let's do that.
This is the doctor's diagnosis. Hannah has a left medial collateral ligament rupture, a left patella cartilage rupture, and a left meniscus cartilage rupture. That doesn't sound good at all. Alright, Jackie Chan, mate.
Try and lad.
We didn't end up going to the river because we just wanted to get out of the hot weather. It was too hot. So now we've come to our rooftop. Joe's burping as always. We got some soju cups. We've got some beautiful views of the mountains. The weather's fantastic. The weather was supposed to be thunderstorming. Of course it's not.
Hannah's injured.
Hannah's injured. How's your knee doing, Hannah?
Really hot.
So she's got a knee up. Joe's legs are up, he's chilling, farting as usual. We're burping and farting. So that's the end of that. The water sports was fantastic. What was the highlight of the day, Joseph?
Be in the water.
We didn't expect Gapyeong to be this fun. We didn't really expect anything, but it's been really, really good. From Seoul city centre, 1 hour and 10 minutes. So it's very close and very beautiful. Do you want to burp before we finish it?
It's still in the wrong way.
All right, that's the end of this water sports. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, click the like button. If you're not already a subscriber, click the red button, turn on the bell, and in the comment section, leave a funny comment and I'll reply to it. In the next video, I'll answer the phone and reply to your comment. That's what we're doing now. If you're wondering where Rafi is, he drowned. Yosh. Wasn't that funny? Oh, here he is. Looks like he's just around, mate. Alright, let's do Gapyeong, then we can say Yosh and it's over. 3, 2, 1. Gapyeong! Yosh!
조심해 난 해줬다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍둥이 얘는 jordan이지 kimchi 감자탕에서 eat that